Alright, so in this video I will explain to you what is a post, what is a page, what is a category, what is the difference between them. So from the default setup of WordPress we have a sample page here and a sample post. This hello world is a post. So the difference between them, if you closely observe them, the difference is that the first thing, the page does not have a release date, it doesn't have an author, it doesn't have anything. While the post has a release date, author, it also has category, the page does not have one. And on the post also, people can comment. And you can do this on the pages. This is the main difference between a page and a post. The other difference is that you can use pages on your homepage, which means that you can make one of your pages to be your homepage. So if you click on customize here and then you go on set front page, you have to choose either, let's go on the homepage, you have to choose either your latest post, which is currently selected, that's why you can see the only default post here, or you can choose a static page and you can choose the static page from here. So now the sample page became our home page, and I am using this front page setting in order to set my main page with my main keyword on the home page of my website. This is what I use pages for. Now, what other things you can do with the posts? Let's go back to our WordPress menu here. So at posts you have tags, categories. This is the other thing that posts have and pages don't. Posts have tags. So what is a category? The categories, they are like a collection of posts. So imagine that you have a category about vegetables, and let's say that you have 5 different posts about vegetables. So you have a post about cucumbers, you have a post about tomatoes, you have a post about cabbage, and so on. If you select your category, if you open this category, you will see all these posts right there. Let's create a few quick posts really fast. Just a simple example post, test post 1. Let's publish it. Let's make another post, test post 2, publish it. And now if we go back to our page, so I still have all my posts as my front page because I forgot to save it the last time. So what I wanted to show you is that if you click on the category here, it's currently uncategorized, it will show you all posts in this category. We can edit the name of the category from here. Click on edit. First click on categories here. So change it to test posts, for example. So what is this slug here? You can see here that on our URL we have category / uncategorized. This is the slug. So whatever is written here will be used in your URL. So let's change it to test posts, update, and let's reload. Now this page is missing because we no longer have a category named uncategorized. So let's go back to our home page, and we can see that our category has changed its name right here. And we see all our test posts that we created. Alright, so in the next videos I will show you how you can order your menu, how you should do it, how you can put categories directly in your menu, and how to structure your posts, how to structure your pages, and so on. See you in the next videos.